Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela. If you are new here, thank you for finding me. So as many of you know, I have left the US. I'm now in the Middle East and have been living here for 4 months, and often part of living in the Middle East means a bit of modest dress, meaning you're covering your shoulders, you're covering your knees, and you're doing a bit of covering of your hair. So for me as a woman of African Caribbean descent, I'm also covering my hair for cultural reasons. So on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, I'm always asked, how do I recreate these looks? So I wanted to share a bit of that with you today. It'll be perfect for beginners, maybe my top 2 or 3 looks that I wanted to share with you guys so it's easy to replicate and do at home. So if you like content like this, as always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. You can comment below and definitely subscribe as I'm giving fashion, travel, and just expat living advice. Alright guys, and before you get started, just a heads up, you want to be able to cover your hair with a silk bonnet or a silk cap. I see a lot of women, you guys are wrapping your hair just with fabric alone directly on top of your hair, and just let me tell you, that is the quickest way to snatch out those edges and to snatch out that hair, especially if you're on a hair journey. So if you are also pursuing hair goals and you're using headrest as a protective style, make sure that you have something protecting your actual hair, that there's a barrier between the fabric and your hair. So first up, we're going to do the bow, and that was the first head wrap style you saw initially. So for something like that, you're going to use a fabric that's a little bit thinner, not as wide, more rectangular, less square, and you're going to start by just wrapping it directly around the back of your head. You're going to grab both ends. With the first end, you're going to create a loop and secure and grab that loop right at the base of your forehead. You're going to take the second fabric, you're going to wrap it around, doing the motion kind of like you're also just tying a bow or tying shoelaces, and pull both bow pieces together. The more of the bow that you have, more bow fabric you have, the bigger the bow. Take each end and just tuck it over and under. Take the next one, tuck it under. If you have a little bit of that silk bonnet showing in the front, just cover that up. You can tuck that in as well. Then you take each bow and you are just going to separate them. So you're pulling the fabric from the inside, top and bottom. Pull the fabric inside, separating them a bit, top and bottom, and then you just adjust it. Next head wrap style is going to be one that you guys have absolutely loved. It's kind of very big, very dramatic, very regal, and I don't necessarily have a name for it, so I'll just have to show you. First up, we're going to repeat what we just did, and I'm taking fabric that's, again, more rectangular. It's so big, I don't even think I can get it all in one shot. I got this fabric from Sierra Leone. Shouts to my friend Mayatu. And so we're going to take it again, and we're going to wrap it right at the base of our neck. And because this fabric is so big, what you're gonna do is grab the middle of the fabric and pull that right to the base of your head. Pulling your ears out. So now that you have both tassels pulled right to the base of your head, I like to, again, because it's so much material, twist back each tab, just so that you're creating a firmness between your forehead and the material. And again, if you have any of your bonnet that's sticking out from underneath, you can just easily tuck that under, but you want it really secure to your scalp. So now that we've twisted back, we're going to start tucking and pulling. So that first tuck and pull, again, you want to pull it firm, make sure that it's really secure to the base of your head, and then you just repeat. Throw them over each other, tuck it under, and pull. Throw them over each other, tuck them under, and you pull. Now for me, a little hack, right? So you're getting ready to pull this fabric all the way through. Instead of pulling it all the way through, let a little bit just kind of loop, right? So instead, you're gonna let this one maybe loop a little bit, but you'll leave this one out and you'll pull. So what that does is it also kind of creates another huge billowy effect right at the top. So what do you do again? You take the loop, and just as you would if this were a full tab, you'll cross them together. You'll take this loose end and you'll tuck it under and pull. Right? And again, if there's any loose pieces of your bonnet sticking out, you can do that. But this, guys, this will help you serve looks. Yes. Super regal, very big, very dramatic, perfect if you have a very simple dress but you're looking for something that'll give you a bit extra flair. The patterns are great. Great accessory piece. I love if I'm wearing a huge head wrapper like this. Of course, you see me all the time on Instagram with my big earrings, another statement piece. This is if you are not shy and when you want to walk into a room, you want to get attention. That's what this head wrapper is doing. It's giving you vibes. So, and the next head wrap style I like to call the Queen, because it's another one that you've probably seen, a very popular one that I've posted on Instagram probably a million times. And so yeah, let's get started. So we're grabbing and we're placing the fabric right on the back of the neck and we're twisting to the side. So what we need to do first, because there's a lot of fabric, we're again going to grab that middle, bring it to the base of the head, and twist one tab back to make it secure. Twist the other tab back a couple times so that it's nice and secure. Then we'll loop them across each other twice, just so that we can create that base. And then very loosely, we'll twist them together. Twist, twist, and then take one side and wrap it right across to the other side. Now if there's extra, like here, I like to wrap that in the back and tuck it underneath the front. So you're bringing that fabric right along the back, you're going to wrap it and bring it right along behind that this first one that you created here, and tuck the last bit of fabric underneath. And again, if there's something that's showing here on the side, so I have my head bonnet that's showing underneath, tuck that under, pull the fabric down, tuck that under in the front, pull some fabric down in the front, pull that down. And there you go. Very quick, very simple, very, again, regal, dramatic, perfect if you are like me and you're living in a place where you have to be a bit modest. Perfect if you want to show a bit of your culture. Perfect if you're having a bad hair day. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. For more on fashion, travel, and living abroad, be sure to subscribe to my channel now.